Good morning, YouTube and the metaverse and beyond. Wow! Look at it. It's a lovely day. It's a little bit crisp, a little bit chilly, but it's a lovely day. Now, this morning, I just want to have a little bit of a rant. Look at the state of these roads. Oh, and that is what I want to rant about. So, I do this route 6 times a day. It takes me about just over an hour. And this morning, my first run normally is still pretty much in the dark. And I had one of those moments where my life just flashed before my eyes. I came over this bridge and it was a little bit icy, a little bit slippy. I'm glad to see the police have finally arrived. And like I say, my life flashed before my eyes because I was faced with that. A sunken manhole cover that I only just bloody missed, and it was more luck than anything else. And it's just made me think about the state of our roads, the amount of potholes and the amount of drain covers just like that are either sinking or they're surrounded by potholes, and they're becoming more and more and more, and they're just, well, it's ridiculous. Come on, fix the bloody roads. You know, I get we've had a really wet, cold winter, and that obviously, you know, plays a big part in the condition and the state of our roads. But come on, fix the bloody potholes. In a car, you're probably going to lose a tyre, you're probably going to lose a rim. But as a motorcyclist, potentially, we could lose our lives or have a really catastrophic accident that, you know, leaves us with life-threatening injuries, if not lifelong injuries. And it just annoys the hell out of me. The amount we pay in road tax, the amount that they don't pay, or the amount they don't spend on our roads. The surfaces, the holes, the cracks, they're everywhere. I spend most of my day dodging them, and you know what, like I say, I do this route 6 times a day, and at some points in the day I'm still hitting the holes that I know they're there. But do I know they're there? Because there's that many of them now, it's hard to keep bloody track. Oh, I tell you. So any of you, are you having the same argument, the same gripe where you live, that the state of our roads are becoming just dangerous for riding and driving? There's so many. There's roads that are subsiding and drain covers like that one back there that, do you know what? I was so lucky this morning that drain cover didn't wipe me out. And then you're like, who'd you call? Well, I'm glad somebody rang the police, and maybe it was the car driver that was behind me when he actually saw that, do you know what, that could have killed me as a motorcyclist. If not killed me, it would have bloody hurt, that's for sure. So come on, Highways Agency, let's get these roads fixed. Let's make them some of the best roads in Europe, for God's sake, because at the minute I think we've got some of the worst. They are just shocking. And the more I look, the more I see there's just bloody potholes everywhere. Everywhere! Oh, look at that. The perfect way to fix a pothole, look. Put a bloody big cone in it. Oh, tell ya. What's the world coming to? At least a motorcyclist won't fall down it, hey? Why do people never stop near the stop line? Oh dear. I mean, if that doesn't qualify you for an eye test, I don't know what does. Sunken drain. Pothole. Pothole. Yeah, look. You got people over the line. You're near it in the white car, but the blue car, oh my God, you need an eye test. I tell you, the standard of driving, shocking. Absolutely shocking. Just one big pothole. Potholes. potholes everywhere, look. Bloody potholes. 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 Oh, potholes. 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 Oh. Potholes. 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 Oh, big pothole. And there you have it. That was just a small selection of the potholes that are on my route. And you really do have to keep your wits about you, because do you know what? That pothole will try and kill you. So, on that note, stay safe out there. Stay safe. Never ride faster than your angel can fly.
He's dodging potholes in his undercrackers. If you see him, take a photo away, because he's dodging potholes in his undercrackers. My biker buddy trying to stay